This is what $1.33 million gets you in the most desirable neighborhood of Dallas, Texas. Known for its lush tree-lined streets, beautifully preserved historic homes, and a strong sense of community, Lakewood is easily one of Dallas's most desirable neighborhoods. Centered around the top-rated Lakewood Elementary and located just minutes from downtown, it's the perfect blend of charm, community, and convenience. Nestled along the shores of White Rock Lake, there are opportunities for nature, recreation, and relaxation, giving you access to both vibrant city living and a peaceful, quiet life. And if you've ever dreamed of owning a historic home here in Lakewood, this is your chance. This fully renovated 1940s colonial revival is the perfect blend of historic Dallas charm and modern luxury. Set on a massive 70 by 200 foot lot, it's super rare to find this much space in Lakewood, especially at this price. Inside, you've got nearly 2,300 square feet with a traditional layout featuring all your main living spaces, including an office nook and a beverage bar with a wine fridge downstairs, and all 3 bedrooms upstairs, including a primary suite that overlooks the treetops. Everything here has been redone, including new electrical, plumbing, HVAC, roof, windows, literally everything. It's a high-end renovation that still honors the character that makes Lakewood so special. Call me today to schedule a showing for this home, and if you'd like your home to be professionally marketed like this one, you can schedule a consult in the link below, because here at Bear Coast Real Estate, we believe every home deserves world-class marketing regardless of the price.